Are you fed up with Memoji stickers cluttering your iPhone keyboard? In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to remove them. I'll walk you through the steps to get rid of these stickers once and for all so that they don't interfere with typing messages or emails. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and tap on General. After that, tap where it says Keyboard. Once you are on this screen, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see that the last option is Memoji stickers, which is toggled on. So all you have to do now is simply toggle off the Memoji stickers and then close all the apps that you have currently opened, and you should be good to go. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.